Hello guys, welcome to my channel RAJMORE Consultancy. Today we will discuss and do the technical analysis for 16 September 2020. So they are AXTEL, Coal India, EMP Industries, Sayadari, Fedron, Ganesh, Sharda, TANFAC India, Techno, Black Cruise. So let's start. So first we will discuss about Coal India Limited. Daily chart basis, last traded price was 161 rupees. Its percentage change is 4.11%. So as we can see here, it is moving in a sideways trend, making support and resistance here, and it makes a very high up move within some days. And see the volume of this stock. As per its pivot points, it breaks the R2 by a great volume. Its MACD line is above signal line. It lies above the upper band of the Bollinger Band. Its MACD, its RSI is 75.56, which is showing us a strength. Its exponential moving average are 5 DMA is above 13 and 26 DMA. So here overall result is a buy signal. Now the next we will discuss about Fedron Pharmaceuticals Limited. Daily chart basis, last traded price was 472.90 rupees. Its percentage change is plus 2.34%, but in a negative way. So it is at the resistance of as per the previous data, and here it makes a support and it forms a very high volume green candle, but it forms here a negative candle and shows a trend reversal also. It lies between the R1 and R2 and do the trend reversal from R2. Its MACD line is above signal line. It lies above the upper band of the Bollinger Band, and it also giving us a dividend today. Its RSI is 77.90, which is showing us a strength, but as per the basic rule, it is showing us a weakness also. Its 5 DMA cuts 13 and 26 DMA from below, and 13 DMA cuts 26 DMA from below also. So overall result, you can take here a short position. Now the next we will discuss about Ganesh BENZOPLAST Limited. Daily chart basis, its last traded price was 96.30 rupees. Its percentage change is 20%. So as you can see here, it breaks the resistance of the previous high with a very great volume. As you can see here, it breaks the R1 pivot level also. Its MACD line is above signal line. It lies above the upper band of the Bollinger Band. Its RSI is 75.51, which is showing us a great strength. Its 5 DMA cuts 13 and 26 DMA from below, and 13 DMA cuts 26 DMA from below also. So overall result here is a strong buy signal. Now the next we will discuss about Sayadari Industries Limited. Daily chart basis, its last traded price was 691.25 rupees. Its percentage change is 0.72%. So as we can see here, it is moving in a downward trend, making lower highs and lower lows. It is below the pivot point. MACD line is below signal line, which is showing us a weakness. It lies in the tube form of the Bollinger Band. Its RSI is 47.37, which is showing us a weakness. Its 5 DMA, 13 DMA and 26 DMA all were merged. So overall result, you have to take a short position and do not buy this. Now the next we will discuss about AXTEL Industries Limited. Daily chart basis, its last traded price was 365 rupees. Its percentage change is 12.83%. So as we can see here, it is moving in a sideways trend from a long time, making resistance and support here, and it can give the breakout to the previous high also. It breaks the R1 pivot level also. Its MACD line is above signal line. It lies on the upper band of the Bollinger Band with a great volume. Its RSI is 68.38, which is showing us a strength. Its 5 DMA, 13 DMA and 26 DMA all were merged. So overall result here is a strong buy signal. Now the next we will discuss about Black Rose Industries Limited daily chart basis. Its last traded price was 201.40 rupees. Its percentage change is minus 5.54%. So as we can see here, it is moving in a downward trend, making lower highs and lower lows continuously, and here it can be a trend reversal, and it is also giving a dividend today. It is showing the trend reversal from R1 pivot point. Its MACD line is above signal line. It is on the upper band of the Bollinger Band and in a red candle, so it is moved to the average line of the Bollinger Band. Its RSI is showing us a weakness, and it is a trend reversal confirmed, and the 5 DEMA is above 13 and 26 DEMA, but it is showing us a weakness. So overall result here is a strong sell signal. Now the next we will discuss about Techno Electric and Engineering Limited daily chart BSC. Its last traded price was 284.05 rupees. Its percentage change is 1.01%. So as we can see here, it is moving in a downward trend, making lower highs and lower lows, and now here it takes a support and makes a trend reversal, making a morning star candlestick pattern and a bullish harami pattern also. It is giving dividend by tomorrow. It is below the pivot point and can be shows a break out to the upward. Its MACD line is above signal line. It lies on the average line of the Bollinger Band. RSI is 46.78, which is showing us a small strength. Its 5 DEMA is below 13 and 26 DEMA. So overall result here is a anticipatory buy signal, and this stock can give a breakout also. Now the next we will discuss about Empire Industries Limited daily chart basis. Its last traded price was 838.39.90. Its percentage change is 2.45%. So as we can see here, it is moving in an uptrend from a long time, and here it shows a downfall and it is coming up also. It is also giving dividend by tomorrow. It is above the pivot level also between the R1 and its target price will be 900 rupees approximately. Its MACD line is above signal line. It lies on the upper band of the Bollinger Band, but within the upper band its RSI is 56.80, which is showing us a small strength. 5 DEMA is above, cuts 13 and 26 DEMA from below, and 13 DEMA is about to cut 26 DEMA from below also. So overall result here is a strong buy signal. Now the next we will discuss about TANFAC Industries Limited daily chart basis. Its last traded price was 696.15 rupees. Its percentage change is 5.06%. So as you can see here, it is showing us a very great uptrend with a high volumes, and it doubles the price within 6 months. As you can see here, it is at the 200 and it is moves to the 696, which is almost 3.5 times. It breaks the R1 level of the pivot points. Its MACD line is above signal line. It is at the upper band of the Bollinger Band. Its RSI is 83.06, which is showing us a strength. Its 5 DEMA is above 13 and 26 DEMA. So overall result here is a strong buy signal. Now the last we will discuss about Sharda Motors Industries Limited daily chart basis. Its last traded price was 640 rupees. Its percentage change is 2.07%. So as we can see here, it is moving in a sideways trend from a long time, and when it gets breakout, it will go up also. It is at the pivot point level. MACD line is below signal line. It is in a tube shape of the Bollinger Band and showing us a sideways trend. Its RSI is 52.69, which is also showing us a sideways trend. 5 DEMA, 13 DEMA and 26 DEMA all are merged. So overall result, you have to go for a short position.